It's a beautiful comfortable of 26 degrees Celsius, which makes it 80 degrees Fahrenheit.
Every day. Mate Trev, welcome. Today is Monday, 7th of January, and today is start of the new day, start of a new week as well, start of a working week as well. So, I hope you had a great weekend. Mine was okay, and that was good. So now, today I'm just about to go for my walk, and go for a half-hour walk. I go for a half-hour walk now, and because I got so much to do during the day, and it takes up a lot of time. So, half-hour walk is just as good as 1 hour, sort of thing. So, it's just those arteries. You know, I'm losing weight. Losing weight, yes, and which is good. Not a great lot, but it's coming down really. So it's tolerance, self-tolerance to lose weight. So you got to be disobedient. You got to disobedient yourself, sort of thing, you know. And you got to say no, cut, don't eat that, don't eat this. You can eat certain foods at a moderation, but you know, plenty of greens, plenty of vegetables and fruit. Plenty of that sort of stuff. Mother of Earth. Natural, raw food. Yeah. Vegan. I think that's the key for it. Anyway, I'm going to go for my walk. And I'll catch you soon. Also, on this vlog, there'll be other vlogs I took over the weekend. So, I think it was Friday and Saturday vlog as well. So you'll enjoy those. Catch you shortly. And yesterday as well, I got a meal. I cooked a meal, so I think you'll enjoy that. Oh yeah, beautiful day. It's coming out warm, and it's about after 9:30. I usually go for my walk about 9:30, and for half an hour. So it is quite nice at the moment, but it's going to get very hot again. So it's been crazy weather, you know. The weather's been absolutely crazy. Because last Thursday we've had up to 44 degrees Celsius, which was totally hot. And I'm not sure we might get that much again in the near future, but we'll see. And I think things will be moderate. It'll be just hot, you know. But you never know. We're in the midsummer, not over yet. Let's enjoy this walk. Now, last week, well actually today, or yesterday, there's been numerous bushfires going on down the Gippsland at the moment, so I hope this doesn't flare up too much. And yeah, it's pretty bad down there, I believe. Bushfires. Creeks are pretty dry. Our children's playground. That's actually a church. Yeah, a fellow friendship centre or something. Geez, that brings memories, that building. Used to be the old YMCA many years ago. And when I was a kid, when I went to school, I was a teenager. We used to have nights, big night social nights here. And yeah, memories. I was a bit of a hangout. Yeah, hanging out. Wrote a song about that, hanging out. Yeah, that reflects back in the teenage days. I used to hang out. Yeah, Victory community, that's what it is. Yeah, it's all about community. People get together and have a good time, enjoy. It's all friendship. Yeah, the old Victory Church, it's known as, used to be the old YMCA. Now it's not YMCA Trev anymore. I know. But what's behind me over there's a lot of cars because there's a lot of ladies playing croquet. Yeah, croquet or croquet. It's a bit of a bowls sort of a sport, and it's been there for many years, that croquet club, and the ladies enjoy it. It's their day out, I guess, their tournaments, and so of course this is all playground area. Ryan Avenue. Who doesn't know Ryan Avenue? There's always never a dull moment in Ryan Avenue. Now look, how silly is this? I'm hearing on the news, you probably heard about it, a woman driving a car around the suburban areas down in Melbourne with a 4-year-old child sitting on top of the roof, riff rack. A 4-year-old child. She's driving around with a 4-year-old child sitting on top of the roof rack of her car. What was her excuse? Oh, didn't realise he was there. Crap. Crap, because someone's seen her doing before. So she's done it several times. I don't know, 1 or 2 or 3 times. And so she got apprehended and got charged very heavily. She's paying a very heavy price. How would it be putting a child on top of a car? You should know that there's a child on top of your car. She shouldn't be driving if that's the case. Unbelievable. Crazy news. Oh, it's getting hot, I'm sweating. Nobody behind me? No. I guess sometimes they got to get up behind me sometimes. And it's a good walk. So I'm doing some more walk this week, hopefully. Yeah. I'm just going to go for a little bit of a wander over there. I think it's out here. I think it is. I'll tell you the story. Right here was a building. Just one lone building. I think it was over there, I think. Yeah. It used to be one lone white building. It's only a little building. It used to be the rent office. Rent. Mum used to come here, pay the rent. Housing rent. Right, we're here where I'm standing. What happened to it? Someone blew it up. Right here where I'm standing. Someone blew it up. Building. Right where I'm standing. So if I was in that building, I would have been blown up. I heard it from my place. I do remember it. I don't know what year it was, but gosh, it was a boom. It rocked the joint. That was right here where I'm standing. Bit of history. Now, could be going back in the 70s, I think. I don't know. The council people will know about that. Anyway, not far from home, so I'll catch you when I get home. And hope you're enjoying your day. Mate Trev. Welcome. Today is Friday. End of the week. Start of a new weekend. 4th of January. And so I've just this morning, actually it's morning really, and I've only just finished mowing the lawn. So I thought I'd do it while it's a little bit cooler, because today we're going to get to 44 degrees Celsius. And that is pretty hot. So that's about, well, let's have a look at the thermometer. Well, it's just sitting on 36 degrees Celsius. So it's heading 44 degrees, which is expected today. And that's about, oh, you're looking at about 110 or 111 degrees in Fahrenheit. That'll make you Americans toasted. Yeah. I know you people are getting cold weather over there. Cool weather. But here, it's getting hot. Well, I call this Australia the land of the sunburnt plains. It's a sunburnt country. Yes. And we're used to that. We're all born to live through the sunburnt country. Let's sit down. I've been mowing the lawn actually, so I do it while it's cooler. It wasn't any cool anyway because I was sweating. So I've got more to do, which I'm going to wait until tonight. In the evening, when the sun goes down a bit, with it a little bit cooler, I'll do the rest of it. Because it's way too hot out there to be mowing the lawn. When it gets about, I reckon, 38 degrees or more, it's down tools. You need to rest. Yeah, especially those tradies out there, building houses, concreters. We're slaving their butts off in the heat. And it can be quite stressing. Can get heat stress. So, a bit dangerous really. Anyway, so that's that. So stay cool, drink plenty of water, and yeah, keep hydrated. Keep hydrated as much as you can. I just want to send my condolences to all the fans of a group that used to be known as Dr. Hook. Remember Dr. Hook? They go way back in the 1970s. And they had some good hits, good big songs. And they came to Australia. They were known very well in Australia to be with a song called The Wild Colonial Boy. And that really took off in Australia. So I know Dennis Lockerori. I met him a couple of years ago when he toured in Australia. He came to my hometown and I saw his concert, his solo concert, which was really great. But what he was missing was the guy, another guy, who had the eye patch in the group of Dr. Hook. And his name was Ray Sawyer. Ray Sawyer. I never got to meet Ray, but I have seen him on YouTube, television videos. And what a great guy, really. I really wish he would still alive. Look, I really miss him so bad. Dr. Hook. Ray Sawyer passed away at the age of 81 on New Year's Eve, as far as I know, and that was quite sad. I'm very sad to hear about it, about Ray Sawyer. And rest in peace, mate. The wild colonial boy. And may the songs of Dr. Hook keep on going. My favourite song of Dr. Hook
It'll have to be a little bit more. Yeah, a little bit more. I sing that one myself sometimes. I have sung it. It's a good song. I like all the other songs too as well. Sylvia, mother says. Now, about a couple of hours ago, I showed you the thermometer, our temperature. So now, which is 12:30, lunchtime, it's hitting up to about just over 40, nearly 41 degrees Celsius. So that makes it 102, 104, about nearly 104, 105 degrees out there at the moment. And it's windy. Very hot. So yeah, I'm just sitting down here in the shed, in our garage actually, really. It's our garage. No, it's not my bedroom. The shed. All Australian boys need a shed. Yeah. It is hot and humid in here. That means I've got the door open, so yeah. So I've been mowing the lawn actually, so it looks good now at the moment. I've still got a little bit to do around the side and at the front. So I'm just going to wait till later this afternoon when it gets cooler to do it. And today, I was to go to Albury today to take my dad, but I've declined to do it because it's just way too hot to go out there. So I'm going to make it next week sometime. But we are in for a cool change on the weekend. I was told that Sunday is going to be quite cool. So tomorrow, which will be Saturday, I don't know what the weather's going to be like. I really don't know. But we've got to be careful in this heat now. Can't do anything. It's best to keep out of the heat. Keep cool. It is quite dangerous because it's total fire banned, really. You can't light fires. No naked flame to be produced. So what do we do? Just keep cool, keep calm and collected. Yeah, there's all the rubbish. Oops, oh, it nearly fell back on my chair. And that's the punch bowl. I found that down in the garage here. It's got little cups. Look at that, little cups. Yeah, I've had this. I gave this to my mum. I think it was one Christmas or birthday or something. I can't remember. But I gave this to her mum because mum used to make punch all the time. And so I'm going to get out there and make the punch. Yeah. So I've got all the cups there and yeah. So, oh, junk. This is all going to be cleaned up eventually, tidied up. A lot of sorting out. There's a lot of electrical items I have here which are going to be turfed out because they're no good. You know, what's the use? Got some games up there, tennis rackets, fishing rods. If you want fishing rods, come and see me. Yeah, I've got plenty. Yeah. I might look a bit old, but they can become new again. Yeah, some old records down there, old 78 records, I think. Yeah, I'll sort those out. Books. I guess it's all bits and pieces. Lots of sneezes. Kicking up the dust. Whoops. Nearly fell back on the chair again. There's the lawnmower, or it's out of the heat.
Oh. It's hot. It's head up to about 43 degrees, I think. About 42, 43 degrees Celsius. at the moment, so it's getting very, very hot out here. Anyway, I've got to go into town because I've got to go and pay a bill, and if I can go somewhere where it's nice and cool, get a cool drink. Need it.
Oh yeah. It's a beautiful comfortable of 26 degrees Celsius, which makes it 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Mate Trev. Today is Saturday, 5th of January. Yeah. Now what a change we have today. It's a beautiful, cool day. And it is just really nice out here. Beautiful. And we're expecting some rain. There was a big change from yesterday. And let's go down here. Look at the lawn. I mowed all this lawn. Nice now. Yep. And let me sit down here. Cool. Yesterday it was a different story. Yesterday it was extremely hot, and we eventually got to 44 degrees Celsius. It was so hot, you couldn't do anything, couldn't go outside. It was unbearable. But anyway, look, we're used to that here in Australia. We're used to hot weather. So, I mean, we've had hotter than 44. Some places got 46, 47 in some places, especially in the Northern Territory. And we've had, I remember one year we had 47 degrees right here. That's hotter than what we had yesterday. And I think it was because of the time we had the drought. Back in, I think that started around about 98. I think 1998. I'm having a rough guess of that, when we had that big drought. And very high temperatures we've had. So today is a different story. It's overcast, and it's just beautiful and pleasant. Now I just got back from Murderford. Been up to Murderford, and sort of rained a bit. Yeah, a little bit. That I was going to ride my bike. I was going to take my bike and ride around Murderford today, but I declined on it because I knew we were going to get rain. So just as well I didn't anyway. We'll have to make that next time, another time. So we went to, I took my dad for a drive, my father, and enjoyed the day. So then we went to Lake Buffalo, yeah, and it rained all the whole time at Lake Buffalo. And plenty of water in there, so but I did manage to give you a little bit of footage. I couldn't even get out of the car because it rained. I didn't want to get my camera wet, so I filmed the lake anyway quickly, and so please enjoy this. Oh yeah. Well, I hope you're going to like this. Coconut prawns. Actually, coconut prawns are actually crumbed, so you can shallow fry them and put them in your salad. So I put tomato, walnuts, that's about it, and a little drizzle of lime juice. Just sprinkle it around there. Oh yeah. Bit of lime juice. This is scrumptious. You can use lettuce or whatever you like. Tomatoes. Healthy food. All the goodness of coconut. Prawn. A little bit of apple cider vinegar. You need about a couple of teaspoons of apple cider vinegar in water as you're having your meal. It's good. Opens up your arteries. Think of health. Yeah. Just scrumptious. The walnuts in there as well. Good for the brain. Going to keep the brain functioning.
Okay, now I'm in town and I'm just about to go home. I did my errands, posted mail, the paper, newspaper. So I'm ready to go home now. And it's getting hot. Oh, sweating. And yeah. So anyway, I'll catch you.
Watch me climb up this and break my bloody neck. The vent. Well, I didn't break my neck, did I? I had to go and change one of the vents that came down. Yeah, been cleaning. So, just a matter out. Yes, I'm doing my chores again. Let me get up here. Doing my chores again. The broom. Should put some strings on it. Anyway, I'm going to finish this vlog. And I shall see you Wednesday. Yeah. Don't forget Thursday. I think it's Thursday. It'll be Smoothie Trev. Coming on and make your smoothie. That's on Thursday. I think it'll be Thursday. If not Thursday, well, we may do it Wednesday or Friday. We'll see. So we'll do it Thursday. Okay. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. I hope you enjoy your day and tomorrow, which will be Tuesday. So I won't upload again until Wednesday. So I've got what to do. A lot of work to do. Great harmony. Peace. Bye. Never know what I get up to next. Could be doing more chores.